Winter gardening in Tokyo is not easy, especially when temperature drops to -degrees. But giving up is not an option. In this video, I'm sharing an honest update of my small balcony garden in Tokyo during winter. Despite cold winds, frosty mornings, and freezing temperatures, I'm still trying to grow my own vegetables. Slowly, patiently, and with lots of love. So you can see some of the veggies are still growing in this minus temperature. I'm even using my kitchen waste in this plastic bottle so that slowly the plants keep getting the compost or say the fertilizer. Just look at this tomato plant, it is still giving flowers. Remove the bad leaves so that the growth of the plant goes on well. This is the peas. It has sprouted outside itself in this winter, and the lettuce, which you would have seen earlier also. Some more tomato flowers, and yeah, let's come to another pot. Here are the peppers, though they are growing slowly, but they are not giving up. Small tomato plant, the flowers are coming up. Next, my flowers, winter flowers, fancy, some other flowers. They are growing so well in the winters because they are winter plants. Some more tomatoes. Tomatoes are very expensive in Japan. Yeah, so I usually try to grow my own tomatoes. Next, coming to, this is the cauliflower. I have a big one also. The garlic which I am growing, it's been almost 3 to 4 months. The bok choy regrowing from the cutting. Yeah, see how nicely it's growing. In extreme winter also, and these are the peas which I have recently transplanted. Next, this one I'm trying the ajwain seeds. Let's see, I'll show you the final results later. Probably when the seed starts coming, some more lettuce and some more peas. I love peas, so I want to grow peas as much as possible. Some more pepper plants, not giving up, see. Slowly, but it is giving flower and fruit. In this also I have kept a plastic bottle with holes, and I keep adding up the kitchen waste so that it fertilizes the plants slowly. Some more peppers. These peppers, do you see? The leaves are curling, and because of extreme winter it is finding it difficult. I will prune it later. Then these are the spring onions which I have grown from cutting. Some more peas, and this is the Malabar spinach. Next, the daisy. It has lots of buds coming up, so I'm waiting for more flowers. I think by March and April it will give me lots of blooms. I've used this vegetable carton to grow some lettuce, some methi and some coriander. Coming to the fenugreek, I try to grow fenugreek wherever I live in my balcony garden, and I've always got success. Some pansies, these are the yellow ones. Another color. Some more peppers. Small ones, but still I think I can use it for my salad. Some more pansies. We use the pansies in our salad as well, so you can also use them. It's edible. The vinca, or say sadabahar, it's not doing well, but I have kept it so that I can do the pruning, and in the summers it will come up. My aloe vera and some other succulents. Chana. All of us love chana sags and the green chana, right? I love green chana. More garlic. Some more methi coming up. So I don't have much space, so I try to, whenever I sprout them, I try to put it here and there so that I can use it in my tadka. Cauliflower growing up well. Let's see when we will get the cauliflower. Oregano. Some mint. Small ones, but cute ones. This mint is with me for an year. So I try to grow lots of plants in one grow bag. So bok choy, tomato, peas, so many. And this vinca I'm growing from the cutting. The tomatoes, they are coming up. Let's see when I can have the chutney of organic tomato. Yeah, so this was the update. This is not a perfect garden video. It's a real winter balcony gardening journey. What's surviving, what's struggling, and what I'm learning along the way. So finally, after 2 days, I harvest my methi leaves. These are the organic ones to make aloo methi in my kitchen. So it's very easy, as I told you, most of you must be knowing. Try to grow methi at your home and it will come up within few weeks. See, it's growing so well in the winters as well. So try it out. Thanks for watching.